There you go. Good morning, everyone. It is 8:07 Sunday morning, and I got my bird neighbors coming over to get some bread. And I put the bread out here so that way they can get some. I don't know what kind of birds these are, but they're over here getting some bread that I put out here on the bench, on the fence line. So it's early in the morning. Another one's coming over. It looks like it's coming over to go get some. I'd like to thank all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, share, and like. It is Sunday, and it's October 12th, Sunday morning. And they're out looking for early morning birds out getting the worm. And they like the bread too, so don't know what kind they are, but they definitely like the bread. Again, I'd like to thank all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, share, and like, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much.